In a fast-changing world, success often belongs to those who embrace learning and real-world experience. At eduCLaaS, we combine education, mentorship, and professional growth to prepare you for the challenges of tomorrow. Meet Dehami Silva, now working as a copywriter and content creator at SJ Digital Media. Through the Digital Business Bachelor's degree program with eduCLaaS, she gained the skills and confidence to excel in a fast-paced global environment.
Hi, I'm Dehami Silva from Sri Lanka. I work as a copywriter and content creator at SJ Digital Media Solutions, Singapore. My primary duties include writing engaging content such as brand strategy roadmaps and business model innovation to support clients' strategic growth and success. Through my first year of studies, I gained knowledge in developing compelling context and strategies, which has helped me when I'm working through real-world case scenarios now. The talent management team of eduCLaaS assigned a personal talent specialist to support us throughout our apprenticeship. Also, they helped me craft a compelling portfolio, resume, and video introduction. They encouraged me to improve my communication and job skills, which are essential for taking a job opportunity. Compared with other higher education programs, eduCLaaS is unique because we can pursue a degree while gaining 3 years of professional experience. In this ever-changing digital world, eduCLaaS is the best choice for moving forward. If you are seeking options for higher education, I highly recommend eduCLaaS. It could be a turning point in your life as well.